Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a LinkedIn carousel, basically to make your posts on LinkedIn look so much better. So how you're going to do this is using Canva. So yeah, you can use the free version or the paid version, but either way you're going to go to canva.com, and once you are there, basically you'll see something like this. Go ahead and go to the search bar here and type in LinkedIn space carousel. And basically if you hit enter here, and basically what carousels are used for is to really just enhance the quality of your posts and make them look more visually appealing than they otherwise would on LinkedIn. So say we wanted to use this one right here, you could just click on it and then you click on customize this template, and it's going to pull up the template real quick. And basically say we were doing something about coffee mugs, like the best coffee mugs, for example. Basically I'd be like top 5 coffee mugs 2024, and then I could replace this right there. If I go to, I believe if I go to elements here, if I search up a coffee mug, it's very customizable. So I could just grab this one right here, and we could just do something like that. Basically, this would be the cover page for our LinkedIn post. So it's pretty cool how that works. And then we have page 1 here. Basically, you can customize this any way you want to. Say I wanted to put it up here, and I could put like that right there. But yeah, basically what I'm trying to get at here is that you can customize these any way you want with these templates. And there's so many templates to choose from, as you guys saw on the templates page. And with the elements tab right over here on the left-hand side, you can find images that'll make your post just look that much better. And then say that this was the finished product. Say that I was just completely done with the top 5 coffee mugs of 2024, and then coffee is used worldwide, whatever. Once you're done with actually, doing this carousel, what you want to do is go ahead and go to share, and you want to go ahead and go to download. So what you want to do is save the file type as a PDF, because that's kind of how these carousels work, is that it's multiple pages. So it'll start with this page as like the thumbnail on LinkedIn, but then you'll be able to open up the document and scroll through all the pages that you have built in this document. So it's actually really cool and really useful. So once you go ahead and download that, I'm going to go ahead and download this and open it up for you guys just to show you what it looks like. And yeah, so I just opened up the file here, and this is what it looks like. What you can do is actually zoom out a little bit to make it look a lot more readable and just not as big on the screen. But as you can see, it's a PDF format here. So this is the first page right here. And then if we actually put like some really valuable information, like just imagine if we put like some really useful information about coffee mugs, like that would be just the best PDF you've ever seen. So, but yeah, this is how it works. It's just you have all the content on a PDF file, and then once you upload it to LinkedIn, it's so effective. It looks so clean. And as you continue to make these carousels, and you're also going to get really fast at making these as well. So it's just really important to practice, post consistently on LinkedIn, and you'll have some really good carousels that you'll make over time as you continue to practice and get better at making these items. So once you're on the LinkedIn page, what you want to do is click start a post, and then you'll go down here to this little plus tab, and then you'll click on this button right here that says add a document, which is great. And then once you've selected that file, it'll load in here. And as you can see, this is the cover page right here. The one that we created in Canva is now the cover page, and this is what it looks like. And then you can click on this arrow right here to go to each of these pages. Now, obviously, I did not finish the carousel. It needs a lot of work if I want to make it into an actual post. These posts do take time if you want to really add a lot of value and a lot of content into these carousels, but they are really worth it for the visual appeal and for the value that you're going to be adding to the reader on LinkedIn. But yeah, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, and peace.